the whole box of dry ice. Right, just because you asked me, guys. Dry ice is not just regular ice. It is this solid form of carbon dioxide, frozen in special way. Its temperature is minus 79 degrees Celsius. And here's molten copper, with a temperature of 1120 degrees Celsius. Let's just do it. It's incredible. Just look at the metal bowl. It's glowing, holy. Honestly, I expected a lot of steam. But well, let's see what we have under this dry ice. It seems I accidentally made a piece of art, which I cannot separate from this bowl. And finally, it looks really cool as for the first time. Guys, I will show in my next videos the most crazy and unusual ideas for my next experiments, so be sure to share your thoughts. And that's it for today. Don't forget to like this video and make sure you subscribe to my channel. Leave your comments below and take care.